Hi everybody, once again my name is Oscar. Welcome once again to Amazing Nature. I want to show you a wonderful area right here in Manuel Antonio. This is a wonderful place. Let's go ahead and make a little tour right now so you can hear the birds around, and I want to show you the beautiful nature. Alright, let's continue now. Pretty place. Wow, it's in a hotel in the middle of the jungle. Remember the name of the hotel is Costa Verde. It's green coast. Let's continue. This is gonna be a beautiful video. I want to see your beautiful opinions right there. So remember, this is Amazing Nature Costa Rica, our channel on YouTube. So go ahead and continue watching up. Looking at, guys, in front of me we have the Pacific Ocean, one of the best oceans in the world. This is beautiful. All right, we got some people right there. Say hi for YouTube, everyone. Already, thank you. Let's continue this trip. Man, this is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow, really amazing. Pacific Ocean, Manuel Antonio, Costa Rica. Take a looking around. Really exciting, really beautiful. Pretty jungle. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely, I recommend this place to visit. So you guys can see us around the world. You can see the beauty nature that we have right here in this beautiful country, Costa Rica. Alright everyone, this is my pleasure to show you my country right now. So remember, subscribe the channel, leave the comments, and visit this beautiful country, Costa Rica. Welcome to Amazing Nature. Goodbye.